Hey everyone, welcome back to another Firebase tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to cover everything you need to know about implementing Firebase push notification in your Flutter app. I will instruct you how to handle notification when app is in the foreground, background, and even the app is completely closed. We have sent the notification using the Firebase console. At this time, it is not only a text, but we have also sent the image in the notification. You can easily navigate to the specific screen when tap on the notification. We have also implementing the navigation feature on the notification. You can easily navigate to the specific screen when you have click on the notification. At that time, we have present the foreground notification in two different way. The one different that is in the alert dialog form. Next is the form of top banner that you have normally seen, but especially in this video you have learned how you can send the notification in the alert dialog form. After that, we have also sent the notification when app is in the background state. And another special is if you have completely closed the app, then we have also sent the notification without any extra setup. And finally, you can also learn how to replace the default Flutter bell icon with the custom notification icon during sending a notification for better user experience. That is the main things that we are going to cover in this tutorial. We have covered all the features that you need to know for the Firebase push notification in one video. Without wasting time, let's start the complete video. Okay, let's start. We'll starting from the scratch. First, I will create the brand new Flutter project. During creating project from command line, it didn't accept the space. You need to provide the underscore and just hit the enter, or you can directly create the brand new Flutter project from the Visual Studio Code. Okay, clear it. Now let's start this project. This is our brand new Flutter project, just a normal counter app here. And at the same time, let's start the emulator. Our first step to achieve the push notification, that is we need to connect our Flutter project with Firebase. For that, go to your Google console and create the account and create the new Firebase project here. Give the name of your project. After the name of project, continue from here. We don't require this. Just disable it, the Gemini, and enable the Google Analytics from here. It doesn't matter, enable or disable. Continue from here, select the default account of Firebase and create the project. Wait until it. Our emulator is open. During this time, we have add the package that we have required during this tutorial. First is Firebase core. It is required during Firebase setup. You can add package by different way. I will already instruct you. Just Command Shift P on Mac and Control Shift P on the window. If you have already add dependency, then it will auto suggest you. Otherwise, search the add dependency and sort your package. Next package that we have required is Firebase messaging. Firebase messaging. Continue from here. First, let's check Firebase messaging package require some setup or not. This is our package to get start with Firebase console messaging for Flutter. Okay, good news. It didn't require any setup. Here, Firebase specially provide for Flutter to use the CLI to directly set up our Flutter project with Firebase. Just click on here, Flutter. Before that, if you have already used the Firebase CLI, then you didn't need to do anything. If you have your first time, then first you need to install the npm in your system. You need to log in Firebase. From the command, just hit the Firebase login. I have already created the video how you can set up your Flutter project with Firebase using the Flutter Firebase CLI easily. You can watch the tutorial to visit in my channel. We have just next it from here. And if you have already set up everything by using these two command line, you can easily set up your Flutter project with Firebase. I will show you. Open the terminal and just hit this command first. It will check, install activate Flutter Fire CLI. First it activate the Flutter Fire CLI from any directory, and next then the root of your Flutter project directory, run this command. You need to run this command inside your root directory. Let's enter this command from here, and it takes some time. It will set up everything. You can choose here in which platform do you want to set up. I will choose every platform and just hit the enter. Android, iOS, macOS, web and Windows. During this time, let's enter from here. Firebase setup for Android is completed. Next will be Firebase setup for iOS, Firebase setup for macOS. This is the easiest way to set up your Flutter project with Firebase. If you have faced any problem, then comment down below or join our Discord server. I'll try to solve your problem, and watch my Flutter Fire CLI video where I have mentioned each and every process how you can set up your Flutter project with Firebase using CLI for the first time. Everything is successfully set up. This is the platform Firebase app ID for web, Android, iOS, Mac and Windows. Next things that we have required is we have already added the package. This is the Firebase option, the .file. This file contains each and everything that we have required during the Firebase setup. Just you need to add the Firebase core package. Next things that is we need to initialize the widget Flutter binding. Widget Flutter binding that ensure initialize. This is the wrong place. Here we need to initialize the widget binding. After that, we need to copy this from here and just paste it below the main app and make it async and import the Firebase core package in Firebase option.file. That's it. After you have done this, your Firebase setup is completed. Let's try to run it. Is everything is perfect or not? Our app is running perfectly and working perfectly as well, but it will suggest Firebase core require Android NDK version 27. Let's copy it from here. Go to the Android app level build.gradle.kts and just add here. That's it. It will working, but it will suggest you need to upgrade the NDK version. Just save it and leave it here. We have successfully set up our Flutter project with Firebase. Now the next step that is we will start for the push notification. Inside the lib folder, let's create another folder which is screen. Inside this screen, we have created another file, notification.file. I'll define the stateful widget here and give the name to notification screen. From here, we will start for the push notification. First, we have require a function, Firebase messaging. I'll give the name to the function Firebase messaging and make it async. You can give any name to your function. Inside this function, first we need to initialize the Firebase messaging, the package that we have already added, Firebase messaging.instance. Next things that is we have required the FCM token to send the notification. FCM token, for it to send the FCM token to this device, first we have required to send it in the debug console during running the app. String token tends to messaging.getToken. Let's make it await. Sometime it takes time to send the FCM. We have wait until it and we have print this FCM token in our debug console. After that, we have sent the FCM notification. Next things that we have required is we have required the function to send the push notification. In this video, we have do the one unique things, that is if the app is closed, then we have show the message in the notification bar. Otherwise, we have show the message in the dialog box form. Just like you have using the app and the from server, admin send the message, you see the dialog box. Big bumper offer. The click rate of this type of notification is higher than the bar notification. In next video, we'll also try both the foreground and background messaging in notification bar. But in this video, we have tried for the background notification, we have show in the notification bar, but for the foreground, we have display in the dialog box form. For foreground notification, here is the Firebase messaging.onMessage.listener. We have required a remote message here and we have displayed this message in the dialog form. That's why we have required a dialog box. Builder, we have passed the context and here we have defined the alert dialog. Why I am using alert dialog to show the notification? Because according to the user experience, if I get notification here, I will ignore it. But if you have using the app, but you get the notification here, either you need to cancel it or you need to click and see what this notification offer. Just we have required a title and title text the widget. We have passed the text widget here and here first final title tends to message.notification not null title, otherwise NA. This is for title and this is the body of our notification. Let's pass this title here in the content of our dialog, body of our push notification, and I'll just add some styling here. What I have done in the title, we have displayed the title of our notification. In the content, we have displayed the body of our notification, and I'll make max line 1 only display the first line of the text and make it text overflow.ellipse. If user want to read the complete message, then we'll navigate them to the notification detail screen. Let's create the one notification detail screen. This is just a simple stateless class, and the main things that on this screen is we have required the title and body from the notification. If you are navigating on this screen, then this two title and body are required. Next, simply display this title and body in the screen. We have not waste to design. I just want to show you if the notification is there, if you click, then you need to navigate to the detail of this notification screen. Scaffold, F bar, title, text. The title of our screen is notification detail, and in the body I'll use the padding and give padding 15 to the all side. We need to display title and body, that's why I'll use the column, make cross-axis alignment to start and children, and I'll simply display the title and just add the simple style. On detail screen we have displayed the title of our notification and the complete body of the notification. If you click any notification, it's maybe a background or foreground, you will navigate to this screen. You have also learned how to navigate from the notification. After this title and content of the body, we have required the two button, which is cancel button and the next button. Let's say use the action. It's take the list of widget. We have used the two widget. First is text button and second is again a text button. In second text button, we have just display the cancel text. Cancel. By cancelling this notification, user will be stay on the current screen and this dialog is popped. Next, if user wants to know the detail of this notification, then we'll navigate them to the notification detail screen. For that, we have used the navigator.push route will be material page route context, and we'll navigate to the notification detail screen, and we have passed the title and body of this notification that we have displayed. We have three scenarios to send the push notification. First is app is in the open condition. The user are use the app is in open condition, just like this. Then we have already performed all the operation. Foreground notification. If app is open, then dialog box will be display as a notification. Second condition, the app is not closed, but app is in the background state, just like this. We have not closed the app, you can see, but app is in the background state. Then what does we have do? We have sent the notification on the notification bar. For that condition, just copy this first line of the code from here and paste it here. If you just want to show the notification, then that is enough, but we want the feature which is navigation feature. If user click this notification, then it will be navigate into the notification detail screen. For that, what we have required, we have passed the title and body of this notification, and next things we will navigate from this notification to the notification detail screen. Okay, and this is the condition. And the last steps, the app is in the termination steps. The app is closed, already closed, but from the server admin didn't know your app is closed condition or app is in the open condition or app is in the background condition. If you have already closed the app, then we will also send the notification from the notification bar. Similar method, just like this, just copy it from here, and app is in termination state. Then we have also sent the notification. For that, get initial message dot, then we have sent the notification. This is not a remote message. Okay, then we will need to check if message is empty. If message not null, then we have only passed the notification message. Message not null, then we have also passed the title and body of the message during navigation. That's it. But last things that we have required is we need to pass it in the init state, and we need to call the function here. What's your function name? Firebase messaging. This is our default screen. Let's simply design the default screen. Just simple. Scaffold, background color, F bar and F bar color, and I'll make the center title true. We have completed the send notification process. Just one thing that we have required is we need to call this notification state inside the main function. Firebase messaging, this is from the Firebase messaging package dot on background messaging. From where we have sent the on background message, we have sent it from remote message. For that, I'll create the one future function here, future void, and give the name Firebase background messaging from where? Remote messaging. That's it. And let's pass this background messaging here. Background messaging. Okay. Everything is perfect. That's it. Let's terminate the app first. Before you have sent the notification, first you need to terminate the app. And another thing that you have need to do is remove this counter application from here and remove this all. And inside the home screen, we have passed the notification screen and just make debug show check model banner false. That's it. And run the app from here. After that, we have check the Firebase console here. We have continue from here. In the builder section, here is the messaging. Run section, here is the messaging. Go to there, and from here, just refresh the app here. First step, just replace here. And this is our push notification Flutter. And here messaging section, inside this messaging section, we have created the campaign here in this format, Firebase notification message, not Firebase in-app message. Just create it. And next things that I will mention you, if you want to send a push notification in iOS, you must need a developer account. For that, you have required the $99 per year. That's why I'm not show you. I didn't have my personal developer account currently. That's why I'll demonstrate you in only the Android platform. Our app is running perfectly. And one last things that you need to keep in your mind before send the notification. First, you need to on the notification in your app. Initially it will be off. Can see, just enable the notification. If you didn't do this, then you are unable to receive the notification. Okay, let's send the notification here. I'll give the title of our notification is new update, and in the notification text, on the body of the text, I'll just pass this text. To get the new version of app on your Android device, you can update it through the Google Play Store, and you can see how is your notification look like. And first we will only send the text message. Next we will try the image as well. We have required the AppCM token that we have print in our debug console. Just go there, and you can see AppCM token, and just copy it from here and just pass it here and add it and just test it. I'll go there, I'll next from here. And first I'll select the Android platform and review from here. And you can also schedule this, but currently I'll just send it now and review here and publish. The campaign was successfully started, active on the Android platform. Let's see and wait here. Sometime it will be directly reflect, or sometime it takes just 1-2 minutes. You can see we have got the notification here, new update. To get the new version of an app, you can just cancel it, or if you want to know the more about this notification, you can just next it. It will navigate to the notification detail screen. Wow, congratulations. Just back it from here. Okay, one thing that we have missed, if we click on next, then we'll need to terminate this notification. For that, just do the navigation.pop before to push, and you can just cancel it. See, okay, and just restart the app. We'll try to send another notification, and let's see what happens. Just duplicate it, and instead of new update, I'll pass the new version and just send the text message. The AppCM token is same for one device every time, and just test it from here. See, you have got the notification which is new version that we have just sent it, and you can easily cancel it, or you can preview the more detail about this notification. If you go back, your notification will be disappear. Next things that we have try is, let's send the same notification in background state. The app is not terminated, but the app is in the background. Let's try it. For this time, let's send the image as well, and I'll mention you in foreground state image is not display, but in the background state and terminated state the image will be display. Let's copy the image address from here and just pass it here. See, the message will be display like this, and just send the notification. Use the same token and test it. During this time you have also got the sound as well. Let's wait until it. See, you can see notification will be appear with image. Congratulations guys, you have successfully achieved this. From here you have not only sent the notification, by clicking on this notification you will navigate to the notification detail screen as well. Oh, we have missed one thing, that's why we didn't navigate to the detail screen, which is this is not on message. This is the state of on message app open. That's why we didn't navigate. Let's save it and just restart the app. Next, let's try it again. Previous time the message is not navigate. Just make the app is in the background state and let's send it again. Same message, new update. Just change it, new version. Send message, use the same app, same token and test it again. And wait until it. Wow, we have received the image, but this time failed to download the image, showing notification without it. This time due to some network issue we didn't get the image, but you have know it, in previous time we have received the image as well. Just click it here and wow, we have navigate to the notification detail screen. Let's try to send another image. This time we have changed the image. Send test message. No, the app is in the open state. Let's make it background and just send the test message. Okay, I'll show you each and every step without any editing. See, the new image that we have chosen just now, this image. By this way we have achieved the on app messaging during background step, during app open state, and next we will try is in the termination state. Let's terminate the app. The app is terminated. Let's kill the app from here. You can see application finish is in the exit state. Now let's send the notification and let's see it will be all on the termination state or not. Again we will send the same message. Test it and wait, it will appear or not. Keep in mind, in virtual device sometimes it takes time. If you are using the real device, then it didn't take too much time. Oh, we have not displayed this image because it will be scheduled here. No, let's make it now. Next, I don't even know in which time I will schedule this image, and review from here. Publish. The campaign was successfully saved. This is the latest campaign that we have sent it. Okay, sometimes it takes too much time to be appear the alert message. This is the two message that we have just sent it, and we have received both of the message. First we have sent this message, but it takes too much time. That's why I'll again send this message, and we have received both of them. In termination state, let's see notification will be navigate to the notification screen or not. Wow, congratulations, we have successfully achieved as and everywhere. See, we have get the notification, we have successfully navigate from here. Wow, that's it for today's video. In next video I'll show you state in app running state how you can achieve the notification in the pop-up bar. I think this will be the best to display the notification in the alert dialog form during the app use. Okay, we have already achieved the notification in the form of alert dialog form in foreground, and we have displayed the notification in background and termination state in a pop-up menu. Okay, after we have achieved that, next we have display the notification in the foreground and background, but at that time we have display the foreground notification is in the pop-up menu, not in the alert dialog form. To display the foreground notification in pop-up menu, we have used the local notification. Okay, for that I have again created the brand new Flutter project, and I'll skip the Firebase setup process. You can do it. I have already instructed you how to set up Flutter project with Firebase using CLI in my previous part. That's why I'm skipping here. And after Firebase setup, let's add the Firebase core package. Next thing is Firebase messaging, and third package that we have required is Flutter local notification. Comma to separate the package and just hit enter. All three packages will be added at once. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, all three packages will be added. Before we start to run project, first we need to initialize it. Just make it async the main function and initialize before Firebase setup widget flutter binding dot ensure initialize. And next, just go there and next it from here and copy this two line and just paste it here and import the Firebase core package and import the Firebase option.file. It will attach all the required things to set up our Flutter project with Firebase. After that, continue to console. Firebase setup will be completed. Let's try to run it. Is everything is perfect or not? Run the app. Okay, we have faced some error. Your project is configured with Android NDK 26.3 but following plugin depend on the different Android NDK version. Firebase core require at least 27.0 NDK version. Just copy it from here and go to the Android app build.gradle and just add the new required version. That's it for it. Next thing, that is Firebase local notification require a core library. Just here, just add the each core library enable. That's it. That's your task. Just save it from here and rerun the app. And let's see everything will be solved or not. Next things that will be, it's a please add the dependency. We have also need to add the dependency for Firebase local notification. This dependency is required. Just save it and let's see it will be solved or not. Okay, this time everything will be perfect and the app is working perfectly. Let's start to implement the push notification in our app. Just create the new folder which is service. Inside this service, I'll create the notification service.dart file. Inside this function, first steps that we have required is we need to set up the plugin to show the local notification on this device. That means we need an instance for Firebase messaging to manage the push notification. For that, first things that we have required is we need a local notification and instance for Firebase messaging for managing the push notification. Next things that we have required is background message handler. This function is called when the notification is received while the app is killed or is in the background state, and this is required so the Dart VM can invoke this message in the background isolate. During this time, Firebase must be initialized in the background. Initialize the local notification plugin and show the notification. We have required these two things that we have created here. First, we have show the local notification when message is received. These all things that I have copied from the Firebase local notification package. If you go to the example section here, all thing will be mentioned here. Just read this documentation and just copy the things that you have required. I have required to show the local notification. That's why I'll call this function. And next things that I have required is initializing the local notification system for both Android and iOS. And at the same time, we have also changed the icon of the notification. As a default, Flutter logo will be appear. If you want to display the some different icon, then you need to change it. For that, you have required one small size icon just like this, and import this icon inside the Android app src main res and drawable. Here you need to place this icon. Your first task is this, and next things that you have required is go to the Android manifest.xml file and add this metadata to display the icons. Just metadata, Android name and default notification icon and this icon launcher. Just add this metadata and just save it. That's the task. If you want to change the notification icon, then you need to do this. After that, the next things that we have required is to handle the notification tab when app is terminated. We have also display the notification when app is in the termination state. We have handle notification tab when the app is in termination state, we have already initialized the local notification system. We have show a local notification when message is received. Next things that we have required is we need to listen for message when app is in the foreground. First we have required the permission and then we have sent the notification. Here we have do the 3-4 things. That is, first we have request the permission from the user. If user give the permission, then we have call the message is received while app is in the foreground states. And at the same time, before send to a notification, we have get the AppSame token and print in the console. From there, we have easily get the AppSame token. It will be required when we need to send a push notification within a specific device. Here we have a title and body of the notification, and this channel ID must be unique and must be exact name that you have passed in the Android manifest file. And this is the iOS notification config, and this is the platform specific setting, and this is the show notification function. We have displayed the title and body of the notification. After this all, we have required next things that will be we need to initialize the local notification handler and Firebase messaging listener inside the main function. For that, just notification service dot initialize notification. For background messaging, we have registered the top level background messaging handler for termination and background messaging states. Firebase messaging dot on background message from notification service dot Firebase messaging background handler. I think that's it. I'll terminate the app from here and I will rerun the app. During this time, let's go to the Firebase console here. Just restart the browser here, and from here you can find the messaging section and create your first campaign. We have used the Firebase notification message, not in-app messaging. Just create it, and our app is also successfully run. You can see it will first ask the permission from the user. If you didn't allow the permission, the app is terminated. But we want to send a notification. First we'll give the permission. We'll give the permission from here, and next things that is AppSame token. We have just copy this AppSame token. Before that, I'll pass the title and the notification body. I'll just say hi, and notification text will be hello, and I'll send the test messaging here. Just pass the AppSame token and edit from here. I'll recheck it. Okay, and just test from here. Okay, wow, we have successfully get the notification, and this is the icon. This is the custom icon. If you have watched my previous tutorial, during this time it will display the default icon, or if you try without changing the custom icon, you can see the default Flutter logo here instead of this custom icon. Just clear it from here, and let's make the app is in the background state, and see there is the nothing in the notification bar. Let's say hello and how are you, and I'll use the one image. Hello, I'll use this image. Oh no, this is too large. I'll use the small image here. Okay, I'll copy this image from here. Hello, let's use the transparent image. Okay, this will be perfect. Let's copy the image address here and just pass it here, and it's look like this. And let's send the message. Use the same AppSame token and test it from here, and let's see, we didn't receive the background notification. Let's check where we have got the mistakes. Oh, we have get the notification. It takes some time. See, yeah, this is the actual image that we have sent it. Sometime it takes longer time. Yeah, we have sent 2 times. That's why we have received the notification 2 times. If you have tried it in real device, then you have got the notification in real time. Otherwise, if you have tried it in the simulator, then it takes some time to reflect here. Okay, let's send another image. Let's duplicate this campaign and change the image. Let's copy this image from here. and pass it image instead of this previous image and send it and wait until the message will be reflect. Okay, by this way we have successfully achieved the foreground and background notification in our Flutter Android application. If you click on this notification, it will open the app. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.